What's up guys, welcome to Shalom's Appetite. Today I'll be showing you how to make the different kinds of donuts. These are the ingredients that we need to prepare the Western donuts. We need flour, sugar, eggs, Nutella or any other toppings, salt, vanilla essence, warm milk and dry yeast. First off, we are going to mix the dry yeast with the warm milk. Keep it aside till we see some bubbles. Next off, you're going to put 2 spoons of sugar, half teaspoons of salt, vanilla essence. Oh, and before I forget, we need butter. When all is in, it's time to keep them away and mix the rest of the ingredients. Once we see bubbles from the dry yeast, we are going to pour it in the flour together with the eggs. If you have a beater, you can use them. For me, I'm just going to work a little harder and get this mix. Keep mixing till the dough is soft and firm. If it's still too sticky, like the kind that stuck on your hand, just keep on adding flour bit by bit. Once it's ready, make it into a ball and time to give it a roll. Roll it till it's not too thick so that when we fry it later, we're gonna get a better done donut. If you have equipments, feel free to use them. For me, I'm gonna add some creativity here. When it is done, leave aside and let it fluff. While waiting, I'm gonna prepare my Eastern donut. For this, we'll be using sweet potato. Once it's ready, mash it gently till we get a very nice texture. We are gonna add in some flour and sugar depending on the sweetness of your potato. You can choose not to add any. Take a small pinch, roll it with your palms and simply flatten it. Now, time to shape it. For me, I'll just simply use the typical donut shape. Once you got it nice, it's ready for frying. Don't do it too long or your donuts will get burned. When I get nice colors like this, it's time to get it out of the pan. Here in Asia, it's a popular choice to use palm sugar, so we are going to simply melt it over low heat and do a quick mix with the donuts. Now, it's time to fry the other donuts that we have put aside. Fry it till it's golden brown. You got to do some flipping here so that it doesn't get burned. When it's ready, it's time to add some topping. You can choose with cinnamon sugars, gems, or my favorite, Nutella. There you go, the donuts are ready. Tell me in the comments below, which do you think is better? I choose both. This is my first content for you. If you like what I share and would like to explore more food together, hit the subscribe and give it a like. This food, sedap kapa.